I want to get my hair thicker. It's just too thin, and as I get older, it's feeling thinner and thinner. So I decided to go with Briogeo's Destined for Destiny Shampoo and Conditioner. And the reason I went with Briogeo is I already know and love this brand. I have been using their Repair and Restore shampoo and conditioner for about a year now, and I've loved how much it's helped my hair get healthier, but it's not focused on thickness. So now it's time to level up and try to get some thickness as well now that my hair is at a healthier state. Now, these are pretty cool. They both have copper peptides and zinc, along with caffeine, green tea, and Q10. So there's a lot of nutrients going on in these, and they're really meant to help your hair be stronger and healthier and thicker. Now, I just washed my hair today, and this is what it looks like right now. You can see that it's still pretty thin, but it is healthy. I do not have anything in my hair, and I let it air dry today. So it's been 3 weeks, and I have only used Briogeo Destined for Density on my hair. And this is where I'm at. It feels wonderful. It has like no buildup, and it definitely, to me, feels like it has a lot more volume. Now, I think if I start putting more product in it, it definitely helps volumize it more. And right now I don't have anything else in it. I just took a shower a little bit ago. I air dried, and it is a little on the fluffy side. And that's the one thing that I have noticed is that before I did this, I was doing a deep conditioning hair mask once a week, and I have not been doing that. And so I do feel a little drier than I'd like at the ends, but that was the case with every other shampoo and conditioner I used in the winter as well. It's just with the humidity here, I just get a little fluffy if I don't use a deep conditioning mask on a regular basis. So moving forward, I am committed to these. I think they're doing a great job with my hair health. It just feels stronger. I think these will really help improve overall volume and strength moving forward, and I love how my hair looks. But I will be adding back in my moisturizing mask, which happens to also be Briogeo's heavy duty Don't Despair Repair Mask. I love it so much. So if you're looking at all, I definitely love this product, and I love what it's doing for my very fine hair that has only gotten thinner and finer as I have aged. So grateful for this product.